This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, February 24th, 2016, and now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, a big system over the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley will slowly be moving to the north and east. That'll be taking a lot of the bad weather away from us and keeping us fairly calm and fairly quiet. Could see some clouds over our eastern counties. Any snowfall will be just east of the state, Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan. Severe weather over the Carolinas, maybe up through the mid-Atlantic. Produced a lot of severe weather down in the south around the Gulf Coast yesterday. And that'll slowly be moving away from us. We may see some backwash here as we move into tonight and very early Thursday morning, but doesn't look to amount to a lot. Otherwise, it will cool off a little bit. Highs today 30s, 40s, down into the 30s on Thursday and on Friday. Then, as you see here is Friday, the storm system is off to our east, and a little bit of snow across the, or rain and snow over the Ohio River Valley. But as I was getting to, and kind of got ahead of myself, Saturday, temperatures will shoot up. This could be the last warm day for quite a while because you're not going to see much of that for the rest of this video. Highs 40s, 50s, maybe nearing 60 on Saturday. Enjoy it because it's going away on Sunday. Rain mixing with and changing over to snow. Temperatures likely highs early in the day and then falling through the afternoon with the changeover towards snow. Doesn't look to amount to a whole lot. We'll keep watching to see if that changes. A little disturbance could clip our northeastern counties here on Monday as temperatures drop back into at least the 30s for highs, which is more typical for this time of the year as we move toward the end of February. And then as we head into the beginning of March, here on Tuesday, we have temperatures in the 30s or so across the area, but another storm system is going to be approaching. The Gulf looks to be opening up with some moisture across Texas, Oklahoma, and look at that big system over the middle, well, over the plain states at least. And in between that and a storm off the west coast is a ridge kind of in the middle. And with a ridge pumping up, that's going to dump some cold air down. And with the system approaching, this is something we're going to have to keep watching. We will keep watching model runs because this looks significant for us. Could see severe weather down in the south and maybe some significant wintry weather around here. Not a forecast. Keep watching. Extended period here, March 6th. Flow coming out of Canada and the northwest again. What's that mean? It means it's going to be cold. Not bitter cold because we're into, at this point, we're into the first week of March. But this would indicate temperatures maybe about 5 to 10 degrees below seasonal levels. Maybe upper 20s to middle 30s across the state for highs and lows, maybe in the teens. Not bitter cold, not below zero by any means. Maybe a little bit of precipitation around. The end of the forecast on the 10th of March, as we head toward the Ides of March, looks to be rather unsettled across the area. Bit of a trough across the middle part of the the middle part of the continent at this point. That could bring in whip up a storm system across the east. Could be around this area as well. It's more than 2 weeks out, so there's no real particulars, but we'll keep watching models to see what changes and what doesn't. What is changing is this storm system. The satellite image from last evening changes. Severe weather across the Gulf Coast. A little bit of snow from Arkansas northeastward. It's just clipping our part of the area with a couple of clouds. You can see this is the watch warning map. Tornado watch across the southeast. Lots of wind, lots of flash flood watches, winter weather advisories and warnings from Arkansas northeastward and also across the mid-Atlantic into the northeast as well. Fairly quiet well to our west. QPF chart looks fairly quiet as well. The next 5 days around here, maybe a little bit of precipitation, not a whole lot. Across the mid-south to the north and east, that's where the heavy precipitation will be.